Tort law. A tort is a civil wrong that can be remedied by awarding damages. Other remedies may also be available. These civil wrongs result in harm to a person or property that forms the basis of a claim by the injured party. The harm can be physical, emotional, or financial. Examples of torts include medical negligence, negligent damage to private property, and negligent misstatements causing financial loss. There are many specific torts such as trespass, assault, and negligence. Business torts include fraudulent misrepresentation, interference in contractual relations, and unfair business practice. Torts fall into three general categories: intentional torts, unfair competition, negligent torts, causing an accident by failing to obey traffic rules, and strict liability torts, liability for making and selling defective products. Why some wrongs are dealt with by tort law or the law of torts and others considered criminal offenses is the subject of some debate. However, there are certainly overlaps between tort law and criminal law. For example, a defendant can be liable to compensate for assault and battery in tort and also be punished for the criminal law offense of assault. Differences between tort law and criminal law include the parties involved. The state brings an action in crime. A private individual brings an action in tort. The standard of proof, higher in criminal law, and the outcomes. The criminal actions may result in a conviction and punishment, whereas an action in tort may result in liability on the part of the defendant and damages awarded to the claimant. The primary aims of tort law are to provide relief for the harm suffered and deter other potential tortfeasors from committing the same harms. The injured person may sue for both an injunction to stop the tortious conduct and for monetary damages. Depending on the jurisdiction, the damages awarded will be either compensatory or punitive. Compensatory damages are intended as far as it is possible to put the victim in the position he or she would have been in had the tort not occurred. Punitive damages are awarded to punish a wrongdoer, as well as compensation for damage to property. Damages may also be awarded for a loss of earnings capacity, future expected losses, pain and suffering, and reasonable medical expenses.